Welcome to Rincon de Almas. Today we'll be exploring a beautiful unit 501 located just 2 blocks from the Puerto Vallarta Malecón. Let's take a look. This exclusive corner studio offers an open concept with a bedroom space seamlessly integrated into the layout, giving you flexibility and a sense of spaciousness. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, featuring modern finishes and smart storage solutions, whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner. It's crafted to make cooking both practical and enjoyable. The living room is bright and inviting, designed to maximize natural light. It's the perfect spot to relax after a long day, entertaining friends, or simply enjoy the atmosphere of Puerto Vallarta's vibrant lifestyle. And the highlight, a spectacular grab terrace that surrounds the studio, opening the space to the outdoors and giving you panoramic views that only a corner unit can provide. The bathrooms comes complete with sleek fixtures and contemporary design, offering a refreshing and stylish space to start or end your day. This studio blends style, practicality, and a privileged location, ideal for those seeking urban living with a touch of sophistication. One of the rooftops you can enjoy an infinity pool, a barbecue area, a gym, and a sub-bathing area, all with spectacular views of the ocean or the mountains. Just 5 minutes from Rincon de Almas, you'll find Puerto Vallarta's iconic Malecón, a vibrant oceanfront promenade filled with art, culture, and life that invite visitors to capture unforgettable memories. Along the way, you'll discover an incredible culinary scenes, from gourmet restaurants and cozy cafes to lively bars offering the best local flavors. And don't miss the famous Los Muertos Pier, a stunning landmark that lights up the bay at night. I love this, just stay away from your new home. If you like this apartment or would like more information about apartment for sale, visit mexlifepb.com. Thank you for watching.